Hey, what's up? It's Michael Mock. I'm giving you a quick update. We just started, this is week 1 for our Palo Alto whole house remodel. We just started demolition. We dropped off the lovely toilet. And as you can see in the background here, we have piled up the debris along the fence just to keep things clean, clear out of the way. Let's go inside, see how this house is. Oh, let me back up. Picture the door. So this is the door. We're going to change this door out. This is a 4-bedroom house in Palo Alto, right by Palo Alto High School. You can see we demoed this bathroom. This one's interesting because they're going to actually switch around. What's going to happen is, you can see that this is a little odd in this corner here. There's this whole empty space there. We're actually going to swap this to be where the toilet's going to go. The toilet used to be right down here, and then we're going to open this up. We're going to push this away, so close off that closet. That's going to be good. As you can see, we already bore out for the electrical, a return air for the HVAC. There was some asbestos here in terms of the heat ducts. We removed the boots, which is the connection here. They call the boots where the furnace, what is that word? It's the tube, the vent pipes, the vents flex will connect to the boots, which is in the walls. So that's what it is. Currently, here's the return air. Return air is down here. We're going to move that up. So we have, this is the living room. There's our little project station. You can see the wall of the kitchen's fully demoed. This is opening up. We're going to put a kitchen island there. We're actually redoing some structural work. So this whole section, we're going to hang a new PLSL, P-lam running across there to this side. Of course, when you're doing demolition, you discover a bunch of funny stuff, as usual. This is another bedroom. Oh, I'm going to turn around. Okay, this is a bedroom. This is the master bath. We're going to convert this area to a master suite. We're going to actually put a door right here, so it's going to be a full-on master suite. And you can see the penetrations that we've created already. Let's show you guys some of the funny things we saw here. So we're keeping the hardwood floors, as you can see right over here. We're saving it because we want to sand it down and reuse it, reinstall it. But this is the weird part. So before, we couldn't figure out why the kitchen here was actually, you can see that this is 2 layers around. So you can see distinctively right about here, this is one layer. There's hardwood below, and then there's another layer there that they had installed. Actually, they shot long staples in there. So our goal now is to level it out so that way there's no raised transition between the kitchen and the rest of the living room. All right, so this is week 1 of demolition. I'm going to walk out to the pantry area and catch you guys next time on our Palo Alto whole house remodel.